This is a question I really like because it's like really getting through the concept without telling you all the function. First of all, they didn't tell you the function, so you have to use the clue from there. So the function and the L1 is the tangent of it, which means that they meet at a certain place. So like here. So this is, no, that's not right. But anyway, this is y equals to 3. This is L1. It should be a positive slope. Let's do this one again. So this is L1. This is x equals to 2. And yeah, this is the function somewhere like this. Sorry, didn't see that. All right, so this is the function like this, and then we're going to move on with those. So at f-2, which is the x equals to, which means the gradient here. So f-2 equals to 3. Nice and easy. So we put on f2, which is the same thing. So f2 should be equals to 3 times 2 plus 1, get us 7. Now we're going to move on to B. That's the tricky bit here. So to show that the graph G has a gradient of 6, which is G is a composite function of f. So to do this, we're going to assume that that's how I do it. So I put y equals to fx squared plus 1. So now u equals to x squared plus 1, du dx is equals to 2x. Now y equals to fu, so dy du should be equals to f dash u. Now dy dx should be equals to f dash u 2x. Now we put everything back in there, so f dash x squared plus 1, 2x, right? Now x equals to 1, so when x equals to 1, so that become f dash 2 times 2. So we got 3 times 2 give us 6. Wow, I'm amazed. All right, so now we go to the last bit of the question. I need some paper. All right, another piece of paper here. So now let L2 be the tangent of P, L2 be the tangent of graph G at P, which is, and then intersect L1 and L2. So first of all, L1 and L2 intersect first. So what we need to do is we need to get through the bit of it. So now we have G1, we find G first. G1 equals to F2 equals to 7 because it's moved, shift. Now, which L1 and L2, the equation of it is 7 equals to 6 times 1 plus C. So C equals to 1. Now I got the equation y equals to 6x plus 1. Equation 2, equation 1 is 3x plus 1. We find the intersecting point. 6x plus 1 equals to 3x plus 1. So now throw it to the other side. 3x equals to 0. X equals to 0. Now we find the intersecting point of x. Then we need to find y. So when x equals to y equals to, substitute into 0, y equals to 1. Therefore, the point Q is 0, 1. That's why I like it so much. Yep, it's a bit hard. It's tricky for that 16 point, especially the last, how many? Last 7, but yeah, good enough. We get it 7. Well done, people.